After confirm everything OK, go to File, Export, Media. Check your sequence length that you want to export out. You can change it here. Or change here, by using the bracket. Format H264 is standard. Set the output name. Click on it to rename and set export location. Check the export video frame size. You can change it in the Sequence tab. And go to Sequence Setting. The frame size, now locked. You need to click on Editing Mode, and set to Custom. And put 1920 and 1080 like so, and for smooth video play, put time base 60 frame per second. Okay, see a little odd. Let's check the frame size again. Don't forget to click Pixel Aspect Ratio, and click the first one. Now our ratio is okay. The frame size is okay now. Go back to Media. See that it is not working. I am going to tell you how to fix it. Don't forget to click on the timeline panel like so. Now it is okay. Check target bit size. Usually around 5 to 10. Your estimate file size was reduced. OK, click Export. Wait a bit or sometime longer, due to your video size. And go to your export location.